Wix email marketing helps small businesses grow through lists, automations, and campaigns, all integrated within the Wix ecosystem. Segmenting these lists by purchase history, location, or engagement enables personalized outreach. Automations are pre-built workflows triggered by user actions, such as welcome emails for new signups or abandoned cart reminders. These are created using a drag-and-drop builder. Campaigns include one-off or recurring emails like newsletters or promotions. Perform A/B testing to optimize subject lines and content. Analytics provide insights into open rates, clicks, and conversions. Wix email marketing is evolving rapidly with AI integration. Features like smart subject lines and automated content suggestions use generative AI to optimize email copy, segmentation, and scheduling. Email marketing is shifting toward hyper-personalized campaigns using data from Wix's CRM for targeted messaging. Emails now link seamlessly to SMS, social media, and push notifications via Wix's unified dashboard for comprehensive customer engagement. Ethical marketing practices and compliance are essential for maintaining customer trust. With AI-centric tools and a commitment to no-code, ethical email practices, Wix is positioning itself as a leader in the space.